How does the reward system on YouTube work? How much can I earn for 1K impressions? And most importantly, how can I increase my earnings from video views?
I want to know.
If these questions matter to you, if you genuinely want to earn an additional 50K for 1 million views per video, then I highly recommend watching this video until the end. I will be sharing with you the tools that can help you maximize your profits on YouTube and potentially earning up to $56,000 per month. And guess what? That's not the limit. Can't wait any longer? Let's hack YouTube together. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Ross. Personally, I have created and developed 9 YouTube channels. The income I generate from these channels exceed what I could earn at a prestigious company. However, what astonishes me is how persistent people can be. Many of those close to me believe that my success on YouTube is simply a stroke of luck. Consequently, they continue to work tirelessly in their regular job. Meanwhile, I continue to earn money. It's not about luck. It's not even about my own abilities. It's because I understand how YouTube operates. Therefore, I have made the decision to assist you in making thousands of dollars on YouTube using the easiest methods possible. No need for recording or editing videos and no requirement to show your face on camera. And if you want to get a high income and be the first to learn about the most advanced profit strategies, then subscribe to my channel, put a bell, let's make money together and hack YouTube. So let's clarify. How much does a YouTube channel generate revenue? There's a YouTube affiliate program that allows channel owners to earn a share of the platform's profits by displaying ads during their videos. However, there are also other ways to make money.
There are a few options.
Towards the end of the video, I'll discuss services with affiliate products where you can simply include links in your video descriptions and potentially earn millions of dollars. Make sure not to miss important information. Now, a crucial point to note is that the price for displaying ads on your channel depends on the topics covered in your content. Advertisers tend to choose the niches where it's easier to find potential customers. For example, it's easier to sell a trading course to someone interested in investing rather than to someone who watches funny cat videos. However, if multiple advertisers are interested in a particular niche, the price for buying advertising in that niche increases. In marketing, there is a metric called CPM, cost per milli, which represents the cost per thousands impressions of an ad. CPM can vary, with a low CPM niches typically earning around $1 to $3 per thousands of video views. These niches often revolve around keywords like scary, prank, and funny. On the other hand, high CPM niches can earn you approximately $30 to $50 per 1,000 video views. These niches are typically related to keywords like finance, technology, health, and similar topics. We will discuss high CPM niches in more detail later. If you want to gain a better understanding of how to maximize your earnings on YouTube and increase your monthly income by tens of thousands of dollars, then keep watching. And that's why I invite you to join my Advanced Intensive program, in which I will provide you with all of the necessary tools and strategies to help you earn up to $100,000 a month on YouTube, even if you're a complete novice at the moment. Are you eager to start making substantial profits? Stay tuned until the end of this episode, where I will provide more detailed information about the intensive and how you can participate. Another important aspect of earning on YouTube is through affiliate programs with other services, which can significantly increase your income. Now, let's address the question: how much can you earn on YouTube by selling affiliate products through your channel? To provide a comprehensive overview, let's consider 4 levels of earning: income at 1,000 views, 10,000 views, 100,000 views, and profit at 1 million views. For the sake of moderation, let's assume that our channel belongs to the niche with keywords where the CPM is approximately $6. This means that for every 1,000 views, you can earn around $6 per month from ad revenue alone. Now, let's factor in the promotion of an affiliate product with a price of $100, where you receive a 50% commission for each sale as per the terms of the affiliate agreement. Assuming that 0.1% of your viewers follow the affiliate link and make a purchase, you would earn $50. Achieving one sale with 1,000 views is quite realistic, especially if the product offers genuine value. As a result, with 1,000 views on one single video, you can earn approximately $56 per month. How about 10 videos? How about 100 videos? What are your thoughts on this info? I'm confident that you now have a better understanding of how the YouTube affiliate program operates. If you found this knowledge valuable, I will greatly appreciate if you like this video to show your support. Moving on to level 2. With 10,000 video impressions, you can expect to earn approximately $60 per month from advertising revenue alone. Additionally, if 0.1% of your channel viewers make a purchase through your affiliate product link, you could generate extra $500 of income. Then you would bring your total earnings to $560 per month. Now let's consider level 3. With 100K impressions, your advertising revenue could reach around $600 per month. And if the realistic scenario of 0.1% of viewers purchasing the affiliate product holds true, you would earn an additional $5,000, and in total, your earnings would amount to $5,600. And to discover how you can create videos without the need for filming, editing skills, or appearing on camera while still earning up to $12,000 per month, I highly recommend watching my video. Click the tooltip in the corner of the screen to learn an easy strategy for making money on YouTube. Let's imagine you've reached level 4. Where 1 million impressions can generate approximately $6,000 per month in ad revenue. Additionally, with a conservative estimate of 0.1% of viewers purchasing the affiliate product, you can earn a profit of $50,000. This means your total earnings can reach around $56,000 per month. However, I'd like to provide further clarification. If your video manages to accumulate 1 million views in a high CPM niche, where you can earn approximately $30 to $50 per 1,000 views, your monthly revenue from advertising alone could range from $30,000 to $50,000. This figure does not even include potential sales from affiliate products. To tap into these highly profitable niches, it's essential to create content related to keywords such as finance, technology, health, cars, and investing. And I have another exciting surprise for you.
Okay. Show me.
You're well aware of how popular AI technologies are right now and the significant investments being made in them. In an upcoming video, I will reveal highly profitable strategies that utilize ChatGPT, which has the potential to generate millions in the long run. To ensure you don't miss out, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be among the first to learn about it. Now, let's dive into fulfilling my promise and sharing some fantastic tools for finding affiliate products. Specifically, we'll explore clickbank.com and digistore24.com. You can find videos online that guide you through the process of signing up to these platforms. So let's move on to the next step. Visit clickbank.com and navigate to the e-business and e-marketing section. Perfect. Here, you'll find a wide array of products, and for each sale, you can earn a 50% commission. For instance, if a product is priced at $350, you can earn $175 from a single sale. That's quite impressive, isn't it? Next, let's take a look at Digistore24. Here you'll find a variety of products as well. You might even come across an item priced at $1,000, and with a 50% commission, you can earn $500 from just one sale. How amazing is that? Absolutely. YouTube is an incredible tool for generating income. Can you think of any other platform where you can earn a substantial amount of money? I can't. However, to achieve such earning levels, you need to possess a specific knowledge base and action strategy. That's precisely why I've created an intensive course called Hack YouTube and Earn Your First 100K Online in 2023 exclusively for my subscribers. If you're eager to gain a detailed understanding of how to make anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 per month on YouTube, then this intensive course is tailor-made for you. You'll find the link in the description below this video. During the course, we will present 5 practical and effective methods to maximize your profit on YouTube in 2023. Additionally, we'll develop an individualized step-by-step plan for you to achieve a stable income for the next 2 to 3 months, enabling you to experience a significant financial breakthrough. You already know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and embark on your journey as a YouTube hacker alongside me. I'm eagerly waiting for your participation.
So excited!
Great. Today, you've learned how to boost your income and potentially earn an additional $50,000 per month on your YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so you can easily find it again and access all of the valuable tips I shared with you whenever you need them. And as a special gift, I have an incredibly promising strategy for creating anime videos on YouTube that has the potential to generate up to $161,000 a month. Click the video right here for the most profitable methods to promote your videos on YouTube. The link is also in the description below. I'm Mike Ross, and I encourage you to watch my videos, grow your channel, achieve financial success, and have amazing YouTube hacker days. Peace out.